Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me Javi from UniqueTutorials. As we all know that most of the people throughout the world love singing, but sadly most of them does not know the chords used by their voices. So in this video I will share an audio recording app that can show the chords of the voice on the music that is being recorded using your iPhone. So without delay, let's begin. Open App Store. Now choose Music Memos. This app is developed by the Apple itself, so it's totally free of cost that you can use. So you'll find here no ads, or you have to need to buy any subscriptions. Click Get if you're downloading it for the first time, as I've already installed it. And once you have already complete the installation, click Open. Here you can see its user interface. On the top left corner you will see an auto. On the top center you will see the voice that is being recorded, and the top right corner symbol is for tuning the voice, and the center you are seeing a button, blue button, is for recording. If you tap it, you can start recording. Yes, I've already recorded, so I'll not show any more recordings. So here are my recordings that I've recorded earlier. Here you can see the chords of my voice recorded. So let's check the sound quality by playing it.
Every day and night, I miss you all the time. Haven't seen you now since for a long time.
So once you are done, click this button and you can click on the Save to Files. And here one more plus point is that here you can see a guitar music symbol and a drum set symbol. If you click on it and start playing, you will hear a drum beat.
Every day and night, I miss you all the time. Haven't seen you now since for a long time.
So it's very cool using it and adding some extra features here. I hope everybody will find it useful. So what are you waiting for? Go to the App Store and download this app, which is totally free of cost, and try it yourself. Thanks for watching.